Australian pelican, these birds have been recorded to fly at 3,000 meters. Conservation status. The Australian pelican population is estimated to be between 300,000 and 500,000 individuals. Although the exact population trend remains unclear, there is some evidence pointing to a potential decline in recent years. Distribution. The Australian pelican, a large waterbird, is widely distributed throughout Australia with particularly large populations in coastal areas and inland wetlands. They are also found in southern New Guinea and Timor-Leste with occasional reports from various western Pacific islands. Additionally, they inhabit parts of Fiji and Indonesia, often appearing as vagrants in New Zealand. Taxonomy. Class, birds. Order, Pelicaniformes. Family, Pelicanidae. Genus, Pelicanus. Uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom at biodb.com. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe.